What is an industrial SWIP? So typically, when we talk about SWIP, we think about construction stormwater pollution prevention plans. So, what is an industrial SWIP? So, if you are a facility that manufactures materials or has operations that are done outside, including transportation hubs or distribution centers or things like that, you may have requirements under what is called the multi-sector general permit, and you might need a SWIP on your site. Okay. Now, most facility operators, facility owners don't know that they need to have a SWIP in place. And they really, honestly, will never find out unless somebody complains or the state comes and looks at your operations and sees that you're going to need it. Right. And so, most of the time when we work on industrial SWIPs, it's because somehow that facility or that location has been identified as needing an industrial SWIP. The state will have reached out or the municipality will have reached out and said, hey, you need an industrial SWIP. Please make sure and provide that. Here's a copy to the multi-sector general permit talking about your requirements. And so then you'll need to provide that. Now there are lots of options that we have, especially if you have ways to limit your exposure to stormwater. If you collect all of your stormwater on site and you don't let any of it leave your site, then we can apply for a no exposure waiver, meaning that you won't have to, get coverage under the multi-sector general permit, and you won't have to provide a SWIP and inspections and things like that. But if your facility does discharge into storm drains that leave your facility and enter into the municipal storm drain system or go into local water bodies, then it's very likely that you are going to need an industrial SWIP, and you're going to need to conduct industrial SWIP inspections, and you're probably going to have to do some water quality monitoring either every year or every other year. So if somebody has reached out to you, if you've gotten a letter saying that you need an industrial SWIP, please reach out to us, fill out the form online, fill out the request form, or request a quote, or give us a phone call, send us an email. We would love to talk to you, come out to your facility, take a look at it, and see exactly what your requirements are going to be. The requirements vary based on what kind of operations you're doing and what kind of potential pollutants might come from your site. So give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Thank you.